Good day, class. Good day, So welcome to computer class. Today we're going to learn computer files. But before we get started, does anyone have an idea what computer files are? Please, Master Clinton, answer that question.
Computer files are a collection of related information that can be stored in a computer under a specific use.
Let's get started. A file. A file is a block of text that can be stored in a specific storage and can be read in memory and can stay in memory until it's closed by a close operation. Now that we know what a file is, let's know what a computer file is. As Master Clinton has said, a computer file is a collection of related information that can be stored in a computer system. Now let's look at types of files. We have two types of files, and they are program files. Program files are those instructions that make the computer system to work properly, and they have two types. Under it, we have the operating system, and we have application software. So these are under program files, and we start with operating system files. Operating system files are files that manages the hardware of the system, which gives the computer instructions on what to do. Examples are Windows, Android, and so on and so forth. And now we jump into the application system files. These application system files are the files that the user installs, just like they are like web browsers, games, and so on and so forth. Now we're going to go into the classification of data files. So before we get started, there are four types of data files. And does anyone know about any idea of what they are? Please, Master Emmanuel, please answer the question.
We have document file, audio file, video file, and image file.
Give him a sound clap. Now, since Emmanuel already said it, we have image files. We have audio files. We have video files. And we have document files. So firstly, under all these files, all of them has an extension. An extension is what the computer uses to identify the file type and what type of operating or program is going to use to read these files. And under image files are all those pictures and images we use to view on our computer. And types and the extension used are .jpg and png. Now audio files. Audio files are all those music, like music with voice recording we listen to. And the extension for them are AUD. And now let's go to document files. Document files can either call it document files or text files. And these are written content that the computer uses to read written information. And the extension used for them are .txt, .docx. And the operating system used for reading document files is Microsoft Word or the text part. Now we have video files. Video files are all those it's a combination of both audio and picture files. It is about moving images in a computer. And the extension used again are MP4. Now that we know what all these are, what we're going to next is the characteristics of computer files. So now I want to do classification of computer files. Firstly, a computer file has a name. Secondly, the computer file has an extension. Thirdly, a computer file can occupy space and be defined size usually measured by kilobytes, megabytes, and terabytes. A computer file can be organized in a folder. A computer file can be located in a computer hard drive. A computer file can be shared, deleted, and also updated. Now, what is the importance of computer file? Firstly, a computer file can store information permanently. It organizes information properly, and it also supports system programming. Now, we are come to the end of today's class. One other question.
Yes, it's Bright.
Yes, I want to ask the meaning of extension.
Thank you for that question. Well, an extension is an indicator which tells the user and the computer the file type and what program or application is going to use to run it. So that's the end of today's class. Thank you.